Hi, today we are going to focus on the third formulation principle of creating a blue ocean strategy. By now, we have completed the first principle, reconstructing market boundaries, and the second principle, focus on the big picture, not just the numbers. Now, this is the third principle, which is about reaching beyond existing demand. Now, this is about widening, lengthening, and deepening the blue ocean strategy currently being formulated. In fact, in our competitive markets, we have been focusing on our customers. Customer is always right, customer is the king, we know customer knows what he wants, and with all that, we have been focusing on the customer very much. We have been focusing on the customers of our segments. We have been focusing on the customers in the industry. Now, if you need to create a blue ocean strategy, focusing only on the customers is not enough. So you need to start focusing on the non-customers of your segment, non-customers of your industry. Now let's see how we can do this. In our competitive markets, we use an approach called STP marketing, which is about segmenting, targeting, and positioning. Here the segmentation means you look for differences among customers within the same group to identify different groups of customers within the industry based on their basic wants. And in fact, there are different ways of segmentation. Market segmentations, customer segmentations, which we will study in a different session. But now this segmentation approach is not enough or sometimes not satisfactory to create a blue ocean strategy. You have to go beyond segmentation, which we call DST marketing, desegmented target marketing, where rather than trying to look for differences among customers in the same industry, we recommend you to look for commonalities among customers within the same industry based on their basic needs. That's where you will open up to attract new customers from other segments. And this is called DST marketing. And in the process of creating a blue ocean strategy, you have another step to go beyond, where we recognize that as DIT marketing, de-industrialized target marketing. So here we invite you to look for commonalities among customers across industries, where you are pushed back to look at not only substitutes but also alternatives. Now, on the surface of it, it is a bit difficult to understand, but we have been consumers all throughout our life. And if you think like a consumer, when you come to the corporate seller's cell, in fact, this is easy to understand. Now, our focus today in this third principle is about the non-customers, how to reach beyond existing demand, how to reach beyond current customers, how to reach out to the non-customers. Now, in order to attract these non-customers, what you should do? But before that, we should understand who are these non-customers. For easy classification, we have categorized these non-customers into three basic categories. Let's now look at what these three basic categories of non-customers are. The first category of non-customers is soon to be non-customers of any other industry. Because of the changes happening in the world, because of the environmental trends, these customers don't know that there are better ways of satisfying their need. So because of that, they continue to patronize this industry. So this is a particularly one segment of customers that you can attract by creating a blue ocean strategy. And the second type of non-customers is refusing non-customers of any other industry. Here it is not that this customer is not aware. This customer is aware, but because they don't have an alternative, they continue to patronize this industry. So this is the second type of customers in that particular industry. This is the second category of non-customers to us whom can be attracted to our offer, and that you have to plan when you are creating a blue ocean strategy. And the third type of non-customers is unexplored customers of any other industry. So because the other industry has not explored on these customer groups, they have totally avoided this customer segment from their industry. So you have a chance of considering this customer group to attract your industry by offering something slightly better, by stepping away from your current industry and offering something better, where you will be able to attract the non-customers of your industry who is unexplored by the particular industry. So these are the three different types of categories of non-customers: soon to be non-customers of any other industry, refusing non-customers of any other industry, and unexplored customers of any other industry are your current non-customers, but whom can be attracted to your industry if you plan your blue ocean strategy properly. So this is the third principle of formulating the blue ocean strategy. Let's meet back again with the fourth principle of creating a blue ocean strategy. Have a great day. Thank you very much.